Hey, sorry if it's dark. This will be the third time I'm plowing the driveway tonight. They've upped the ante for us here. It's going to be somewhere between 8 and 10 inches overnight, and we've already gotten 6. So we're definitely going to be over a foot by morning. So I'm gonna go clean the driveway one more time. I'm not gonna worry about the apron area right up here by the house, but I want to get the drive cleared out. I don't want it to be too heavy for tomorrow morning because it's actually kind of wet, the snow. Better check the fuel. Alright, so I mounted the camera low this time, and let's see what happens. So that was pretty cool. I've never plowed with the tractor in the dark before. Yeah, it's starting to get pretty deep. Glad I hit it. That's probably the last time for the night. It's already getting kind of late. I don't want to get stuck in the night plowing, but I wanted to go over it one last time and get it as wide as I could, just so tomorrow with all the snow I have somewhere to put it in case it gets really cold. But yeah, this is wild. So we'll be putting this footage up as soon as I can get it edited. And but I just want to show you, I parked the Power King over the floor drain just so it's 40 degrees inside the workshop right now. So by morning, hopefully all the snow will be off the Power King and it'll look like it never even happened. But yeah, the Power King did its job. Really happy with it. So I'm covered in snow again. This is like the third time I've just put the stuff in the dryer. Whew, wow. So yeah, can't say enough about the Power King. All right, well, time to sign off and lock up. All right, see you next video.